So today we will be making no fail slime. You shouldn't fail. Okay, so here's all the ingredients you need. Some borax, some glue, any kind of glue. I just have clear at the moment. And if you want, you can have gems and food coloring. You need some shaving cream, a big mixing spoon, and a little mixing spoon. You also need a cup, but I'll get in a minute. Okay, so first off, you need to get your bowl. You're going to put your Elmer's glue, open it up, and put a decent amount of glue in the bowl. You don't want too much, but it's up to you depending on how much slime you want. This is going to be a fluffy slime, so we need it to be fluffy. So then you're going to add some shaving cream. Then you're just going to pour an equal amount of shaving cream all over the top. Then you're going to grab your mixing spoon and mix it until it's all smooth. This is the time when you're going to put your color and your glitter in. I'm going to be choosing some red. I'm going to use a light amount to make some pink, because I already have purple I made earlier. 2 drops, and you're going to mix it all together. I'm not going to put glitter in mine, because I just want it to be normal, but you can put glitter in yours if you want some. There you go, mix it all up. Here, I'll get closer. Just gotta mix it all up until all the color is the color you want. And you're just gonna keep mixing until it's all smooth and you can't see any white left. You can have white slime if you want to. You just need to mix it until it's smooth, if you want white. Then, once I get this off the spoon, you're going to take a cup and you're going to fill it up with water. I need to fill mine up with water real quick. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I have some water. You're going to grab your borax. You're going to take a spoon and then you're going to put it in your cup. Then you're going to mix it all together until all of the borax has dissolved. So what you're looking for is to have white water. Once that is all done, you're going to pour only a tiny bit into your bowl. And you're going to mix it all together till it gets sticky. See, mine's already getting sticky. As I said, this is fluffy slime, so if it's not all gooey and stuff, it's because you put shaving cream in it. And this is now stuck to the spoon. Come on, buddy. Okay, now, once it's all sticky, you have to knead it with your hands. Hands might get really messy, so yeah. You have to knead it until it is not sticky anymore. Then you can sometimes put it back in the bowl, grab your spoon, mix it some more. I still have nasty hands. So yeah, pick it up. It's already turning into fluffy slime. It's just gotta keep kneading it. Gotta keep squishing it. Gotta squish this for a long time until then. See, now I squished it a lot, and now mine's not sticky anymore. And then if you want to, you can flatten this out, put some gems in it, and then mix it all together. Mine's a light pink, so I'm not going to put any gems in it, or glitter as you would say. I keep saying gems because apparently right now I have gems. So yeah. Just going to want to squish it. And yeah. Here is the slime. The final result. It's all squishy. You can put your fingers in it. Get it on the table. Yeah, you just want to keep squeezing it so it stays fluffy. I'm not gonna put any gems in mine because it's pink. I'm getting stuff on the table. And yeah, so that is how you make fluffy slime.